Hi guys, it's Tiny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to film my morning skincare routine. It's pretty basic and simple and pretty easy to follow along with, but just don't mind my awkward self in half these clips. So first up, I take the Clinique Anti-Blemish Cleansing Gel. I have been using this for a few months now and it's really helped with the congestion on my forehead and around my nose. I still break out a little bit around my mouth, but it's mostly hormonal. But what's good about this cleanser is it's antibacterial, so it kills all of the bacteria that contributes to my breakout so often. So I'm just wetting my face, massaging that in, and then just washing it off with some warm water. Next up, I'm going to be using the toner in that range as well. So it's the Clinique Anti-Blemish Solutions Clarifying Lotion. So this one is a really good toner because it helps to exfoliate all of the dead skin cells on the surface, and it also has mattifying particles which block excess oils from coming through the skin. And then to moisturize, I'm using the Clinique ID moisturizer. I'm using the jelly base, which is oil free, with the pores and uneven texture serum, just to help close over my pores and make my skin feel a little bit smoother as well. Next, I'm taking, to be honest, I have no idea what this is, but the doctor prescribed it for me and it's supposed to help with my breakout. I don't really find it does much, but I just want to use it up anyway since I've got it. So I don't know what it is, but I've been using it for a while. And then of course I'm going to take the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour moisturizer. So this is really good just for hydration. I can't go a morning without it. It makes my makeup look so much smoother when I use it, and of course locks in the hydration for 3 days, which is amazing. And next up I am taking an eye cream, again by Clinique. I believe it's called the 96-hour. I have no idea because it's new. It came out about a week and a half ago, or maybe 2 weeks ago, but really good for intense hydration around the eye area. And then for sunscreen, I'm using the Go-To Skincare face sunscreen. I've been using it for a few weeks now and haven't had any problems with it. I find it also moisturizes my skin really nicely and hasn't reacted on my skin, which has been really good. So I've just been using that every day as my sun protection. And then just taking the Mountain Lotus lip balm. I think it's an organic brand. So I'm just popping a little bit on my lips as my lips are so dry all the time. And yeah, that is it for my morning skincare routine. I hope you have enjoyed watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!